The Pi network is a fairly unusual case in the realm of digital forms of money. It has collected a considerable amount of consideration and interest. But then, you can't get it in a place. The Pi coin has not been recorded on any crypto or non-crypto trade yet. And the best way to get it, basically for the present, is to mine it. Every individual can have one Pi account. And 25% of all Pi coins have been designated to the Pi Center group. The task has as of late sent off a shut mainnet, meaning just individuals inside the Pi biological system can presently involve Pi for exchanging, purchasing, and selling until further notice. To purchase or exchange Pi coins, one requirement's to pass the KYC check first, the determination for which is arbitrary. The Pi Network Group is intending to have a mass KYC confirmation soon and anticipates that its clients should be finished with it toward the finish of WOC 2022. Pi organization cost today. The Pi coin's ongoing cost is $0 as it has not been recorded on any cryptographic money trades yet. While Pi organization isn't accessible for procurement, we suggest perusing the video about cryptos that will detonate in 2022. Pi organization value expectation for 2022 by specialists. Since this cryptographic money's future is so unusual, numerous specialists are extremely moderate in their Pi network cost expectations. The Pi coin neither has a cost history for us to investigate nor has it shown how it answers the value developments of the crypto market and Bitcoin. There's no market cap or all-time high for us to use in our cost expectations. By the same token, anyway, what's left? All things considered, for a situation like this, most specialists must choose the option to go to unadulterated hypothesis. We couldn't in fact do an undeniable principle examination. To infer the genuine worth of any resource, one needs to assess its true capacity and existing use cases, the quantity of individuals utilizing or holding it, its future potential, the group behind it, etc. Contingent upon the resource, a portion of these elements will assume a greater part in deciding the resource's cost than the others. For Pi's situation, it's basically impossible to decide the genuine number of clients that will hold the coin once it goes live. This is what some crypto specialists think with respect to the normal worth of the Pi network coin since Pi hasn't been recorded and in place yet. Information-based expectation administrations like Exchanging Perspective make no genuine cost expectations for the coin. Notwithstanding, interestingly, Wallet Financial Backer records Pi's genuine cost as $0 allows a one-year value expectation of $0. The site clarifies that these figures haven't been refreshed beginning around 2017 and that further information is expected to make a more precise gauge. Pi coin value forecast 2022 to 2027. Right now, it appears to be reasonable that the Pi organization will begin getting recorded on trades in the last part of 2022. On the off chance that that truly does for sure occur, we will at last see the cost of the Pi coin transcend $0. Interestingly, typically, when such a renowned and notable task becomes recorded its cost skyrockets in the initial not many days or weeks. As individuals race to get involved with the new conceivable large thing, the appeal will push the market cap and the Pi esteem up. Be that as it may, such cost mobilizes seldom keep going long. By and large, the digital money crashes a couple of days after the underlying mooning because of individuals attempting to offer off their coins to create a fast gain. In our Pi network cost expectation, we investigated both Pi's assets and shortcomings and the value history of digital currencies with comparative use cases. Furthermore, we likewise needed to consider what will happen to the crypto market from here on out and how Pi could squeeze into the crypto circle before long. If it's not too much trouble, note that this is all unadulterated theory. We've made this Pi network cost forecast in light of the suspicion that the digital money will send off an open mainnet in June 2022 according to plan. Pi coin value expectation 2022. As per our suspicion that Pi's cost will pursue the very directions that numerous other altcoins do, this digital currency will have a meeting in the last part of 2022. In the event that the open mainnet is sent off according to plan, we could see the Pi coin being recorded on trades in July 2022. Pi coin value forecast 2023. 2023 may be the year that the crypto business bounce back and recuperates from the ongoing bear market. The Pi coin is probably going to follow any market blasts that happen, so 2023 could see its value ascending to new all-time highs. Moreover, the general promotion for crypto can incredibly help the Pi digital money. It is amateur agreeable, allowed to mine, and is associated with the Pi number. Assuming that the promotion happens in late winter of 2023, its group can publicize really on Pi Day. Another thing to note while making any future Pi coin value expectation is that it very well may be very worthwhile for organizations to put resources into and take on. For instance, it fits the models Elon Musk has set for a digital currency that might possibly turn into an installment medium in Tesla. Pi coin value forecast 2024. Our cost expectation for 2024 is that the Pi crypto will keep on rising. As we have referenced beforehand, any kind of promotion in the crypto local area can significantly help this advanced cash, supporting its cost, in the event that the market doesn't recuperate and remains at a similar level it is currently. We don't see Pi turning out to be staggeringly productive, however it can in any case be a wise speculation. All things considered, in the event that you procured it for $0 any value the Pi crypto arrives freely give you a benefit. Pi coin value expectation 2025. What will Pi be worth in 2025? In the event that all works out as expected, the digital currency will probably remain generally at a similar cost level for some time, similarly as numerous altcoins do. Under this situation, Pi will possibly rise when the market is blasting or when it gets siphoned by the local area or the devs. Obviously, if it gets seen by a big name or a major business, Pi's cost could rise dramatically, possibly in any event, going more than the $1. That would put its market cap generally at a similar number as the ongoing business sector capitalization of XRP. Pi coin value forecast 2026. Our Pi coin cost expectation for 2026 is that the cryptographic money will figure out how to arrive at highs it has not seen previously. All things considered, we expect that this undertaking will earn more consideration as years go by, so just regular its cost will rise. The way that the Pi network has embraced a versatile first methodology will help it later on. The computerized world is gradually exchanging away from utilizing laptops to tablets and cell phones. Despite the fact that it is almost difficult to make a real Pi coin value forecast and name the Pi coin's future value, we can see that it can possibly become one of the main advanced coins. Pi coin value expectation 2027. What will happen to the Pi organize in 5 years? All things considered, the reality of the situation will surface eventually. On the off chance that all works out positively and the coin gets recorded as arranged as well as endures the accidents that will undoubtedly follow its prior convention, then this computerized money gets an opportunity to make due till 2027 and, surprisingly, become beneficial for every one of its holders. Taking into account Pi mining is free. All that you make from selling the digital money can in fact be a benefit. Nonetheless, there's an opportunity of a lifetime that Pi mining could become unfruitful that far later on. All things considered, anybody that has at any point attempted to mine coins realizes that the cycle has consistent losses. We question that even the moderately low introductory speculation costs one necessities to pay to mine the Pi coin will actually want to counterbalance the halvings, expansion, and the rising number of diggers. The Pi network is an exceptionally fascinating undertaking that has shown a ton of commitment. It has a committed local area, an enthusiastic dev group behind it, and a strong specialized establishment, every one of the markings of a promising digital currency. By the day's end, on the off chance that you trust the venture not to release your information, it won't damage to mine Pi coins as an afterthought. All things considered, it's free. Who knows, perhaps it will get taken on by Tesla and turned into the following media sweetheart, bringing its holders a large number of benefit. The reality of the situation will surface at some point.